Keyboard shortcuts for Chrome PDF Viewer. I have found this help page, this URL. But it only provides save and print keyboard shortcuts. I do have shortcuts for the other functions, fit width, zoom in / out, etc. Do they exist? Here are the shortcuts you need. Zoom in, Ctrl++. Zoom out, Ctrl+. Toggle between fit width and fit page, Ctrl+/. Rotate clockwise, Ctrl+. Rotate counterclockwise, Ctrl+. Download PDF, Ctrl+S. Print PDF, Ctrl+P. Scroll one page up, page up. Scroll one page down, page down. Search document, Ctrl+F.
I tried some common hotkeys. You can zoom in with Ctrl++, either regular one or the one on numpad, zoom out with Ctrl+, and return zoom to initial value with Ctrl+0.
To fit page for the Chrome PDF Viewer on Mac. CMD plus Ctrl+/.